Welcome, legends. I'm the Rusty Bartender, and this is the Little Mixed Cocktail Van. Let's go make some drinks. So today we're going to be making an Aperol Spritz. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Not another Aperol Spritz recipe. So today, if possible, we're going to make this drink a little less meh and a little bit more oh my god. Alright, enough waffle. Let's get this drink made. So at this point, I'm pretty sure that everybody on this planet knows how to make an Aperol Spritz. But if you don't, then here's the recipe. The ratios for this drink are pretty easy to remember. It's 3-2-1 or 1-2-3, whatever way you want to remember it. So, 2 Aperol or 60 mils, 3 sparkling or 90 mils, 1 soda, 30 mils. Let's get a glass and start making it. So, what you're going to want to do is grab a glass, any type of wine glass, and you're going to want to fill it up with some ice, like so. You're going to grab some Aperol, and you want 60 mils of this. Next up is Prosecco, and we're going to use 90 mils of that. It's always harder to measure it out in a jigger, so it fizzes up. You can always just eyeball it. Then we're going to go 30 mils of soda water. Pour it in. Lovely. Then we're just going to give it a quick stir. There you are, lovely. Aperol Spritz. Easy peasy. And that would usually be the end of the Aperol Spritz recipe. You put a slice of orange or dehydrated orange, you're good to go. Straw, lovely. But today, we're going to do something just a little bit different. We're going to give this drink a little bit of an elevation. Now, to do this, you're going to need one of these. It's called a Flavor Blaster. We're not sponsored by Flavor Blaster, but there's a link in the description below if you want to buy one. So what this does is it's going to create an aroma inside a bubble. If you just press the trigger, that's your aroma. Anyway, enough talking rubbish. Let's get this bubble made. So on top of this drink, we're going to use a citrus aroma inside the bubble. It's going to pair well with the Aperol flavour. So top tip with this drink too, Aperol Spritz is quite fizzy, and usually the aroma bubbles don't land very well on top of the drink because the carbonation explodes the bubble. But we've got a little trick for you here. A little dehydrated orange wheel on top, and the bubbles should land perfectly. Let's see. And there you go. Is this cool or what? Pretty sure your guests would be happy with this one. Anyway, let's have a look. That is not a bad Aperol Spritz. I'd be pretty happy with that. Cool. And the perfect Spritz. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. There's going to be plenty more videos coming. I've been the Rusty Bartender, and this was the Little Mixed Cocktail Van. See you next time, legends.